Let's now talk about cookie tracking. And to make this a bit more fun, because it's not a really funny topic, I have at first a joke for you. What are online cookies called in the UK? I give you a couple seconds, you can also stop if you want. Of course, biscuits. Okay, let's start with the basics. Cookies are text files that record your online activity. So whenever you visit a website and accept that this website owner can track your data, a cookie will be set. And it tracks your online activity on that specific page. It tracks what you do, it tracks where you came from, Google, Facebook, whatever. So it tracks basically your activity. It's very suitable for advertisers to display specific advertisements, because with cookies or with tracking in general, I can make sure that the right audience sees my ad with Facebook ads, for example. But on the other way, it can also track where people came from, how old they are, and so on, and I can look that up in Google Analytics when I'm the website owner. The holding time, of course, varies. So some cookies are saved for only a day, some cookies are saved for forever, and so on and so on. So this is also different for the different types of cookies. Some differences, and that is the rather important point for affiliate marketing. You have different systems for who will get the commission, because sometimes you have a link, let's say for the Amazon Partner Program, which is the Amazon Affiliate Program, and let's say I click on that link as a customer, I click on your link and watch the product on Amazon. Then I close the window, and an hour later I click on the link from another promoter for the same product. And with this guy, or with the link from that guy, I buy the product. So you promoted both the same product, and I clicked on both links, but I bought it from the other guy. Who gets the commission? You would probably say, okay, the other guy gets it because I bought it with his link. But that's not always true. Sometimes you have a first cookie wins, which means that even if I didn't purchase the product with your link, you still get the commission because I saw it first with your link. So you were the first affiliate where I clicked on this link. First cookie wins, you get the commission. Difference is last cookie wins. That's the exact opposite. Because I clicked on the link from the other guy last and bought the product with his link, he gets the commission, which is more likely. So normally it's last cookie wins. Sometimes, and you need to make sure that this is not the case for your product, it's first cookie wins, or you want that strategy, but normally it makes fully sense to have last cookie wins. Lasting time for these systems is 1 day to forever. So sometimes it might be that I click on your link and don't buy the product. Then I click on the link for the same product from this other guy. 1 week later, then of course you won't get a commission. But if this is on the same day, you get it with first cookie wins, if lasting time is 1 day. If lasting time is forever, you still get the commission even if I buy the product with the link from the other guy 1 week later. So lasting time is also important. Always check how long your cookies last. If they don't last very long, maybe not a good product, or maybe not the perfect program for you. Of course, the customer always needs to complete the purchase within this time. So if I only click on your link and then save the product for later to buy it a week later, and then don't open it with your link again, but rather simply search for it, the cookies are gone. If it's 1 day, if lasting time is 1 day, if it's forever, of course, it's still your commission. But if I only see it with your link, but then typing it in, 2 weeks later, 1 month later to buy it, and the lasting time is not 1 month, you won't get a commission. So lasting time is always important, also for the purchase completion. When you know that customers might need longer time for this purchase because they need to rethink it, it's a expensive product and so on, you need to make sure that the lasting time of your cookies is long. The good thing about some programs is that there are sometimes some special commissions within the time. For Amazon, you have, I think, actually at the moment, 1 day of lasting time, which is not long, but you have the big benefit that they have this special commission that you also get a mini piece of every purchase the person that clicked on your Amazon affiliate link within a day does. So maybe I click on your link and see a product and I don't buy it. But on the same day, I buy 5 other things, maybe 5 books. Then you still get a mini piece of these purchases as a commission, even if you have nothing to do with these other sales. That is the advantage of the Amazon affiliate program. Not a lot of programs have that, but some have, and that is very nice. So cookie tracking is a very boring thing, I know, but still it is important. Lasting times are important. It is important if first or last cookie wins. And it is important if you maybe get some special commissions if people simply buy other products in that web shop, even if you have nothing to do with that.